So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install Spotify app on iPhone. So first of all, open the App Store on your iPhone. Now here, tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner. After this, tap on the search bar. Now here search for Spotify. Now this is the Spotify app. To download and install it, tap on this icon and this will start downloading Spotify. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. So wait until the process is completed. Now once the app is downloaded, tap on open to launch it. Now this will ask you to allow notifications. Tap on don't allow. After this tap on continue. After this you can play any music on Spotify. For example, let's play this one. And this will start playing the music on Spotify. So this is how you can install Spotify app on iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.